I'm from Ghaziabad, Delhi. Like I'm a co-founder of Jobito Services. It's a recruitment company. So we are in hiring India wide and like in all categories like blue collar, gray collar, white collar,
Okay.
college hirings, all.
Okay, that's good. That's good. You are one of the important person right now. Neeraj Sharma.
Yeah, hi everyone. Neeraj this side. I'm based out of Gurgaon, working in data technologies, data related technologies.
Thank you, Neeraj. Atul sir.
Hi everyone, my name is Atul Kumar. I was born in Jamshedpur. Hometown is Patna, and currently based in San Jose, California. I'm into many startup type activities. Been in US for the last 18 years. Thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Ram.
Hello, good evening. I'm Ram Namburi. I'm currently working with Yanmar Engines. I'm based out in Chennai. I have around 6 years of work experience on diesel engines.
Okay, thank you. Mukul Anand. Your voice is breaking a bit, I think. Maybe you can exit and join again,
Okay.
Mukul.
Okay, I will try.
Yeah, now it's okay. Now it's okay. Yeah, please continue.
Okay, I am Mukulan. I am pursuing PhD from Jadavpur University, Kolkata. I am basically from Bihar, Patna.
Okay, thank you. M. Bharti. Can you hear me? Hello, Pani Grahi. Hello, can you hear me? Okay, never mind. I will come to them later. Yes, yeah, sir. Please feel free to explain your things.
Actually, I'm very much happy that everybody is, most of people are from Patna. And then, actually, everyone is aware of the situation with COVID-19 has been spread out, and then all business are suffering, apart from health sector. Hello.
Yeah, all good.
So I am into surgical products. I am a distributor, and I have a CNF of lots of products. Like I import from Mumbai also, and then other parts also. But nowadays I have I'm seeing that apart from mask, sanitizer, face shield, headgear, nothing is going to work out. So can you suggest which product is for me so I can sell it out?
So you are saying mask sanitizer and let's say similar things.
Apart from this, because these products are on hot cake, like
correct.
They are selling. Everybody is selling in GM Road and all, but I'm not getting proper products like genuine products. I want N95 to be very genuine, and then likewise sanitizer also. But I need a very competitive price, which I'm not getting from Delhi or from Mumbai also. So apart from these products, do you have any idea which product is going to run in a long way?
Yeah, so two problems I think you said, right? One is not getting the genuine things. That's why you want to maybe move to a different product category, which probably is going to be in demand now or later. Right? Did I understand or rephrase the question correctly?
Again, should I repeat?
So what I'm saying is you don't want to sell mask sanitizer.
No, I want to sell. I'm selling it.
Oh, you're selling it already.
Okay. Yeah, already I'm selling it. Everybody is selling it, but it's a very common. It has become a very common product.
Okay.
And nobody's. I'm not able to find out which one is good or genuine.
Sure. Yeah, Neeraj has a comment for you. Yes, Neeraj.
Yeah, hi Yasir. Welcome aboard. I think you are first time you are attending this particular meeting. We are running it from past 2 months, and Vishal is doing a great job here. So I really want to welcome you here, first of all.
Yeah, thank
So
you.
you are from medical industry, what I understand, right?
Yeah, right, correct.
Have you heard of Stryker Medicals?
No, no, no.
Okay. Stryker Medicals is a medical device manufacturer, or you can say medical technologies company. It's one of the most admired company in its field of medical devices, leading player in orthopedics, um, uh, and they bought their neuro division from Boston Scientifics around 9-10 years back, and running that as well very good. In orthopedics, they are having a huge portfolio starting from knee, spine, and whatever kind of implants you can think of. So I
Okay,
worked with Stryker for 9 years,
okay,
and currently I'm working with a company called Honeywell, where they are having a large manufacturing for N95 masks, which
okay.
we're talking of.
Yes.
And in like 1 or 2 weeks before, if you have seen some news that Trump visited one of the factories where he was
Mhm.
going to a mask factory, but himself was not wearing a mask, that was actually the Honeywell factory. So
Mhm.
uh, coming to the just I was setting the context, like uh, uh, what I know about this industry. So
Mhm.
coming to your point,
Yeah.
what kind of products and what kind of product lines are to the future, and
Mhm.
talking about N95 sanitizers and all.
Mhm.
So you are just interested in trading, or you also, if given a chance, you also manufacturing.
No, right now I'm not into manufacturing, so I'm trading it. But
Okay,
in future, if I got an opportunity, so definitely I will go
okay,
for
okay.
manufacturing. Yeah.
So again, I would say that this is the best time if you want to go for manufacturing. Manufacturing a sanitizer is really simple process. It's not any kind of big process or any kind of huge investment involved in it. You just need some ingredients, and to improve your product quality and to improve your product score, like what different kind of other things apart from cleaning it is providing. You just need 4 5 ingredients, and it's a really simple process you can start with. I would suggest, if you are having a real bent towards manufacturing, go for it yourself. Why you are looking in market to get it from someone? You can do it your
Because
own.
because lots of products already running in the market. So in
That will always be there. Before
yeah.
Facebook, Orkut was there. Before Gmail, Hotmail was there, and before Google search, Yahoo search was there. You just have to do it
Correct.
differently. You just have to do it in a manner that you can allure more customer, you can provide value to your customer. So
What license are required for it for manufacturing?
manufacturing, you what all license
Yeah,
you're talking? Sorry, I
I'm talking
am
about
not.
the legal part. I'm talking about the
Yes,
legal parts.
yes, yes.
What is necessary for starting and manufacturing?
It's not that I think it not that require that kind of licenses which medicine industry require. But I'm not having information at hand right now. We can work
Okay.
for it if you want. But still, I would like to ask, if you are having a slight bent towards manufacturing, go for it. It's the right time. In manufacturing mask, face mask, whatever you're talking, and other products also, like which are hot cake right now, and they are real simple, and they can really
Can you
generate
suggest
more
those
employment.
products? Can you suggest those products apart from the sanitizer?
There is large shortage of beds in India, which
Okay.
has been just revealed. COVID-19 has found India in such a situation that people are coming up with different models of bed. There are foldable beds coming in. You may have seen
Okay.
somewhere. There is large demand for beds in India. No, I'm not talking about hospital specific bed. Governments are looking for beds where they can put those beds in schools, some dharamshalas, so that if a situation comes in, we are falling short of space in hospital, then they can be used.
Mm.
There is a large demand for that. So you can think of a solution like a bed which can be foldable, and really low on cost, and can be used for this purpose. there is a large demand for all those consumable items which are used in hospitals by doctors,
Okay.
like gloves, PP kits. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So any kind of consumables, you can
So
go
right
for.
now, can you suggest glove, mask from where should I get?
Uh, if you are just looking for trading, then there are different platforms for that.
I can start with the trading. I can start with the trading. After that, later on, I'm thinking for manufacturing
Yes.
the sanitizer.
IndiaMart is a good platform if you are just looking for trading and if you are looking for some competitive prices. So IndiaMart is a good platform. You can find a lot of sellers over there. Um, uh, and there are other startups as well which are working in this space. Might
Okay.
have heard of. There's one startup. I forgot the name. Anyone like which is a supplier based. Yes.
What
Udan.
if I
Udan is
suppose I start manufacturing, as you said, sanitizer part. So
Mhm.
the materials from where I can get materials.
Again there for raw materials also you need to have connections, and IndiaMart is the best platform for that. Like whatever ingredients you need, you can go
Okay.
to IndiaMart. You can find suppliers which are nearby, which can provide you materials in cost effective way, and also you can rely on quality. You can have a one-to-one meeting with them. You can visit their facility, like how big they are manufacturing and how they can provide you. Like it should not be like that someone is manufacturing in his home, and if you require later on, if you require something thousands of liters of, and then they will say it will take 20 days of time. So you need to have that reliability factor also. So you may want to visit their facilities also. So IndiaMart is a right platform. People are using it a good way. Udan is one of it. It's a good
Yeah.
startup which has come up in this space.
Okay. Udan. Yeah.
Yeah, Udan is good. I think with B2B also.
Yes.
So,
Yeah.
Mr.
Thank you
Yasin,
very
you
much.
are a doctor by profession?
I'm not doctor. I'm into professions. I'm in the health sector only. I'm not
Okay.
a doctor, but I am doing this business in 3 years.
So you have like a medicine shop or something? Or?
Yeah, I have not my firm is like a private limited company,
Okay.
and then I'm a director of this firm, and we
Okay.
are dealing into more than 1,000 products.
1,000
Especially,
medicine,
yeah,
like pharma products.
including medicines. Mostly, I am dealing into surgical products.
Ankit, you want to say something?
So
I'm supplying.
Atul,
Yeah,
if I can understand, so you are
Yeah,
not a doctor, you're not a medical professional, but you are in the
yeah,
business of medical supplies and
yeah,
reseller, distributor, and all those things, right?
yeah, correct. And already I have 40 clients. I have 40 hospitals where I'm already supplying. So
So the reason I'm asking this question is because I was in the same situation and still am for the last more than 10 years. I have been working in the healthcare sector mainly, but I am not a doctor or I don't have any technically medical background. So I
you can say as a wholesaler. I'm working as a wholesaler.
got it.
Yeah.
And
Anyone have comment? I think Ankit was unmuting. Rishaba was trying to say something. Yes,
Hi.
Rishaba.
Yeah. Hi, Vishal. Actually, I just want to say that we are like manufacturing all the COVID related things in Delhi, gloves, 95, and all the type of mask, stilled, and the machine called sanitizer machine, sanitizers. Can you contact me we know each other, so we can as a manufacturing price or something.
yeah,
If you contact me.
Yeah, so maybe you can write your number in the chat box just for a quick connect. And yeah, obviously I mean ग्रुप तो है ही अपना, मैं डाल देता हूँ अभी.
You get my number, so
Yeah, in the chat box.
in the chat box.
Okay.
Yeah, so like it will of course benefit to both of us.
Yeah, sure. I think you can definitely introduce him to other people. I mean, the people who you think can help him. And also, I give one advice. Like I have a child who is 1 year old. So there is a one problem that we are facing. The small children need vaccination at a very regular interval, right? So if there could be, I don't know if you can be involved there, some kind of home delivery service of these things, especially like children catered, and also I think children need this baby formula milk, right? A lot of children these days need that kind of milk, and they are ordering from wherever, right? So if you want to also get into that baby food uh, as another product, which will stay in demand, COVID no COVID doesn't matter. I think COVID may, you can even do some home delivery, bulk order or something. So that's also one advice from me, like the NAN, the Similac, and all the names I know. Anyone else has any comments on the products that they think Mr. Yasir can consider? I think there was one comment by Rishaba was immunity building products. Yeah, that's also. Yeah, Ankit. Yes, Ankit, please. Oh, sorry.
Hi, yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
So sorry I missed your introduction. If you can just quickly give me yours in maybe a minute or so. Like
my introduction.
Yeah. I mean, what do you do exactly? Do you sell it or do you market it, or like do you supply it to the hospital? I heard you have few connections with the hospitals and you basically supply.
Actually, I supply all the surgical products into my, various hospitals.
Great. Across Calcutta or where?
No, in Patna, Bihar.
You are in Bihar. Okay, right. So yeah, sir. Basically, I was working on an innovative project where a friend of mine was working on contactless.
May I know your good name? Because
yeah, my name is Ankit.
Gupta.
My name is Ankit Gupta. I'm basically based in Calcutta. So one of my friends who lives in Calcutta was working on contactless. This thing, a sanitizer.
Thermometer.
No. The contactless sanitizer disposable machine.
Okay.
Yeah. So just you need to put your hands like the way you must be going to the. You must have seen while going to the 5-star hotels. You just.
I have seen everywhere. I have seen everywhere.
Air dryer kind of thing blows up your hand and make it dry. So the same thing he wants to do with the sanitizers and the basically sanitizers. So you just need to put your hands and automatically the sanitizers will come up, and it will be 100% contactless, so that and I found it a good opportunity. We developed a prototype just working on the bodies basically. So we need to get
So can you note down my number so can send me the details of this product?
Yeah, absolutely. Can I have your number, please?
I think he wrote his number.
836
836
9321
9321
573.
573. Okay.
I wrote in the chat
yes.
box 8369321573.
Yeah, correct.
So what do you think? I mean, I was thinking to market it to the hospitals and 5-star hotels because I guess there the demand should arise, because
Actually,
normally a lot of people.
As far as Patna market is concerned, they are very much focused on price. They are more concerned. They are not concerned on qualities. I have come across such people in hospital also, but they are totally bent on pricing. So if it is very competitive or it is very reasonable, definitely they are going to buy from me.
Yeah, so if we can work on the price, do you think that these kind of product holds a demand in the market? Because now you see the people are more conscious of using more of Indian products, and especially in these segments, there is no competition. Like there's no big names as such, and I've hardly known if there is any brands apart from one in US who actually works on the contactless dispensing machines.
That's why I'm telling you. So what about the products are you dealing with? So can you send me the brochure kind of thing?
No,
So,
I
so
don't
that,
actually deal. I have my, so I work with startups. So
okay.
I have lot of people who work on the startups and who come up with some innovative products. So there was this guy who's an engineer based in Calcutta who made this contactless, dispensing product, which was really amazing. And I guess even the price was very reasonable. I mean, it was quite cheaper than what if you have imported from China. It was, quite reasonable. So we were working on it. So we need to make dice and the plastic molding thing, which but he came up with this. I'll forward you on WhatsApp. You'll get a brief of idea, and we can also use it with the hand wash also. So even in the 5-star hotels, people are reluctant. Yeah, so people reluctant to use hand wash. Basically, they need to press the dispensing thing, right, to get the hand wash out. So even we can make it contactless. We just need to play with the liquids. Same dispensing machine is there for both so we can also put hand wash in, and we can also put sanitizers in, and it will work same for both. So we have the equal opportunity. Not even we can target hospitals, but we can also target 5-star hotels. We can target clubs. We can target
lot of queries from the hospitals.
lots of public places, basically, where a lot of crowd comes and use the washrooms basically. So yeah, I thought it has a huge potential until I heard your good connections with the hospitals, because I'm not into this field. So teaming up with you can ease up with a marketing thing for me, at least, because I can look for the production part and investing, because he don't have a capital to invest, and that's where I come into play. I just invest in people who have some crazy ideas. So thanks to Vishal sir, he introduced me to a couple of great startups where I already invested, and maybe we're gonna go a long way. So I'll just partner up with you if you are willing to do it and want to take it forward. We can do really good, and it's a price. The price is quite comfortable. I guess you can easily, if we can market it in Patna, the prices won't be a constraint. I guess we can easily do it.
Okay.
So I'll forward you the prototype.
Yeah.
So that you
Just
can have
try
a
to
brief
forward
idea
it,
of the
because
product.
definitely I need these products, and I will forward my queries and all.
Perfect.
Sure.
Perfect. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Sir, Neeraj has some.
Apart from this, sorry, I'm interrupting in between. Apart from these products, can I get N95 mask in a reasonable price? Is there anyone in this group who are into this business?
Yes, sir. As I told you, like we have that.
Yeah.
Tomorrow I will call you.
You can raise your hand if there is a conflict. Yes, Rishaba, first.
Yeah, you go. You proceed first. You tell first.
ऐसा तो कुछ कोई नहीं हो पाएगा. Rishaba, you can say first, then Nisha can say. Yes.
Yeah.
So sorry.
Nishiraj Bharti, na?
Actually,
yeah,
as
Nisha, I am Nisha.
Yeah, Rishaba.
Yes, you can continue. Sir, actually, as I said, like we have all these things, N95 and all. Also, tomorrow I will call you. Okay, so we can discuss.
So you can also you have my number, so you can also share my your products so that I can decide
all the products and like price.
Okay. So have you noted down my number?
Yeah. Yes. Actually, we are in Delhi. Yeah.
I can't hear you because your voice is cracking little.
Yeah, I noted your number.
No, I can't hear you properly.
I'll call you tomorrow.
Yeah, he noted your number. He'll call you. Yeah, tomorrow.
Should I repeat my number?
I will call you.
No, I wrote in the
sir.
chat box so everybody can see. Anyone can. Okay, yes, Nisha. Yes, what's your comment, please?
It costs rupees 225. I have just ordered for 50, like 50 pieces only, just to take a try. It is original and authentic product. I know. So I have just take ordered for 50 pieces of it, and when I will get that, it will be, I could sell it, then I will order more in more quantity, and then I will invest like more.
And what
I
would be
can
the MRP of these products?
yeah, the MRP is 225 and its selling price is 300 in the market, as I know, according to my knowledge.
No, so how it is possible to that if I am getting MRP 225, how can I sell in 600?
Actually,
But what she means is it's cost price
how
is.
its
Actually,
cost price
I
is
mean to say,
225 only,
yeah, I
and
mean to say
you
that
are
if
asking that
I,
where to sell, right?
okay, because MRP is totally different and the trading rate is totally different. So how
Totally
can I
different.
sell it? The main point is
She means cost price only, like the selling price
yeah.
to wholesale selling price,
Mm-hmm.
not the MRP printed on somewhere.
And which brand is it?
It is two brands. One is 3M and the another is, let me check,
Actually,
3M.
I'm very much eager about the 3M products. So
Okay, okay.
can you?
I will just send you. I will WhatsApp you. I have your number. I will WhatsApp you all these
WhatsApp all the
details.
products are very, very.
Yeah. Of course, I will send you.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
And Mr. Sanjay Kumar Singh also wanted to say, yes, Sanjay, please. Sanjay Kumar Sinha. We are supplier of surgical products in Bihar.
हेलो
Yes, sir, Sanjay, please.
आवाज आवाज आ रही है ना?
आवाज आ रही है, हाँ हाँ, बताइए।
सर हम लोग तो गवर्नमेंट सप्लायर हैं, गवर्नमेंट में सप्लाई करते हैं हम लोग सर्जिकल का ही।
अच्छा।
तो यहाँ पर जो डिमांड है वो ज्यादातर टेस्टिंग किट्स वगैरह है ना? टेस्टिंग का ज्यादा है और सर्जिकल आइटम में वो जो किट होता है डिलीवरी किट वगैरह, ये लोग का ज्यादा डिमांड है।
अच्छा, तो आप गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल्स को करते हैं?
हाँ, ओनली गवर्नमेंट। हाँ,
ओके।
अभी जो स्टार्टिंग की है गवर्नमेंट से ही की।
ओके, ठीक है। तो इनका
तो इसमें
सॉरी, आप फिर से बोलिए।
Yeah, actually, I'm interrupting in between. Can I stay over here or should I leave?
No, you can say. Sorry.
Because can I join tomorrow? Because today I was not mentally prepared for this.
Oh,
meeting.
okay.
Definitely, I will join.
Yeah,
I'm going to
sure.
join you.
You can join tomorrow also. No problem. Yeah. You can stay today also to listen.
I will get back to you with lots of other questions also because I haven't.
Yeah.
To be
No
clear, like, okay.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot,
Hey,
everybody.
you can stay today just to listen if you wish. Up to you.
Actually, I have to go. Like, I was not mentally prepared for this.
Thank you very much. Wish
Definitely,
you.
I'm going to join you tomorrow at 10 p.m.
Sure. Same link.
Thank you, Nisha, and all. Okay, thanks. Bye.
Thank you. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, Mr. Charlie. Mr.
Hello.
Charlie. Yes.
हाँ जी, मैं यहीं पर हूँ. Actually, I'm also from Patna only, but just settled in Chennai. So good to see. I think all of us from same place.
Not all, I think. But
I think wise people think alike. It's just all right. I'm into training for all these years, and so I was just thinking how I can be on my own, and I was thinking what kind of opportunity that I can have in terms of training, because I'm into training in soft skills, placement training across India. I have trained. You talk about like LPU, VIT, Vellore Institute of Technology, all various famous institutions. Even in IIT also here and there I have trained in terms of placement part. And I have worked with various companies like Sutherland, HCL Technologies, like that, big companies. Now I'm thinking, what do I do? Because the market is completely down and I'm totally worried. So I am being forced to actually work for a company, and still I'm not satisfied because everybody is paying only just half salary, which is not worth to what kind of work I'm involved in. So that is the main reason I was thinking that what kind of venture should I get in now?
Maybe you can explain a bit more training part. So you are training the students, or you're training the?
I have trained students as well as even I have done corporate training as well. In for example, dining etiquette, or you talk about personality development, or you talk about time management. So these kind of training I've done, even prior experience also I have. I've worked with hospitality also as a corporate training manager. I was in UAE for another company where I was training for a country club. There you have it. We had it in Dubai. So I was training there also. So I've worked even in the Gujarat in the Cambay hotels and resorts. So I was the corporate training manager for them. So I have a lot of training exposure, but unfortunately, I've not been able to settle myself because I feel that after having so many years experience, I'm not getting worth of what I should be getting. And I know it's right now the market is completely down, so I cannot ask. But then from the time I came here back from UAE, I'm not been able to bounce back. I had to compromise with because my network was completely low, so I couldn't do anything. And because of that, I'm totally stuck. I'm started from the scratch as a trainer, and I'm continuing now for all these years. Now I'm looking forward to some kind of a venture because obviously I think the market really needs people like me to really show them the way. So
yes,
can you please guide me or give me some kind of references that would really help me out?
Yeah, sure. I understand. We can talk. I think we can discuss this a bit more. Yes, Atul sir, you want to say something?
So I really wanted to say something because I saw many people from Patna, Bihar, where I am from. And beside being born in Jamshedpur, I use it, the Jharkhand and Bihar, as convenient, depending on who the audience is. But coming to training, that's what I started my career as. When I was in Patna doing my bachelor's in Patna in college, it took us 5 years at that time. So there were no college classes going on in Bihar, just like Corona has disrupted all classes, at least the physical classrooms. Bihar had no classes in 90s because of the political situation, all this in 90s. So I learned computers from Aptech Patna, and then I started, my first startup was on training. Starting, my company was A++ CompuLab, and what we did was training people from corporate, RBI and NTPC, and even somebody was traveling from Dubai and he just wanted to learn some basics computer, we taught them. So training is what I have been involved with most of my life. Obviously, later in life got distracted and switched to, a corporate job, multinational GE and all those things. But then again, after coming to California 5 years back, I'm back into the startup mode, mainly a connector of startups to investors and mentors and stuff like that. But education and healthcare, these are two areas I focus on. And the first investment I got, angel funding, was for education startup, also from a guy from Patna. So I would like to know both. I heard a couple of people from the healthcare sector, especially in the diagnostic space and making of equipment and devices. That's one. And the other is people in education sector. So education sector is like obviously very vast, right? From corporate training and others, which said, including its skill development, but it also needs. We are focusing more on entrepreneurship and management type of training. So being an MBA from IIM Ahmedabad 2001, so MBA type coaching is what management coaching. Entrepreneurship is what more passion is, but from a business side, I'm also into healthcare. Just wanted to give the details so that anybody who's interested can reach me out, and I already shared my contacts on the chat.
Yeah. Okay. So, Mr. Charlie, I think you can tell your story a bit more in detail. I think I can share the same pain because I also came back from abroad 11 years, and I had to build my network here.
Yeah, I completely lost my network. That was the biggest disappointment because I was in UAE for 3.5 years like that way. And then when I came back in 2015, and when I came back and I was again trying with HCL and everything, but things were completely different and completely different management and their mode of looking at their expectations. And then again, the pricing was quite low. And when you earn abroad and then you come back to India, you always feel that somewhere comes to itna to mil jayega. Ye expectation ke saath aate ho. And then suddenly you feel, oh my God, what is happening? Kuch to badla hi nahi hai. We are back to square one. So I started from the scratch like that from 2015 and till date I've been as a struggling actor, but I'm just keeping myself pacified and waiting for the golden opportunity. But I think this is the right time. At this point of time, I think I should take it up because when you're into, I have been into various fields, but I never changed my profession, that is as a trainer. I've never changed myself. So obviously I can get myself glued to anything. You give me the product and I know what to do. I've been into selling also, hardcore selling, and I've trained sales people also how to sell. जैसे country club में land भी नहीं रहता, जमीन भी नहीं रहती, पर उसको बेचना पड़ता है, दिखा के बेचना पड़ता है. You have to sell something which is not there actually in reality. So to that extent also, and plus I've proved myself also in the selling part here and there to show to my students and to my corporate employees how exactly selling can be done. Literally in action, I had to show them, and I literally showed them also. So that means I have that confidence in me. Now the time is that something I should get some kind of a return, because it's high time that I should bounce back. That is what the moment when I saw that your caption was Atmanirbhar, and the way even our government is encouraging, मैंने बोला कि चलो इस बार तो कोई ना कोई तो मिले कि जो अपने जैसे सोचे, and we move ahead from there. Because though we are in different states, good thing is that we are in different states, and I think we can join together and contribute together to ensure something can happen. It's not just money alone, it's sometimes the experience, and even the places where we are, geographical locations also really help to diverge, right? So I'm just looking out for some good leads where where somebody can help me out or make me to move up to that particular extent.
So Charlie, I would like to interrupt here. So you mentioned a very important point which is very close to my heart, that you lost your network. And I have written a book on that, not published yet, it's purely as a website, networkquotient.org. So your network is the only asset or the most important asset you have. If you lose your network, you lose everything.
Absolutely. In today's world,
so, it always was. The only difference today, Charlie, has happened is that today we have internet for the last 40, 50 years.
Absolutely.
So people think of LinkedIn and Facebook and all these online websites as a way of networking, but this network was there important even 2,000 years back, 5,000 years back.
Correct.
That time the network was more local. People used to know that Mukhya ji or that Baba ji or whoever, that Sadhu ji, the guy who knows everybody. So people would know. So if I go and travel, let's say there are a few people have traveled across the country. Let's say Sankaracharya traveled from south to north. So on the way, they knew the right people to reach out. So if you go to the local temple or go, whatever places, the local pandit will know who are the right people to go to. So they, okay, you want to get the best doctor, they will tell you. If you know the, for example, these even churches are also mainly places for networking. Any of the across India as well as outside, churches, mosques, temples, they are the places mainly for networking. People go there many of people go there just to do for worship, but most people go there for the socialization. Like
I do mingle with people around like that way, but unfortunately I'm not getting what exactly I should be doing, and
so there's one short answer I have found after long speeches and books, and that is, there's one question you need to answer, and that one question is, what's in it for me? So Charlie, what does Charlie have for Atul, or what does Atul have for Charlie? When you answer that question, then your network will work. But as long as you're talking only about Charlie, nobody's interested in Charlie. As long as you're only talking about Atul, nobody's interested in Atul. The moment Charlie talks about how he can help Atul or how he can help Vishal, then Vishal will be interested in Charlie and Atul will be interested in Charlie. Correct. If you get that question answered, that value proposition, if you can define for yourself, then the whole world is open for you.
But I need to look for who's that Atul and who's that person. That's
so for that,
we have to work out something.
For that, you come to like one platform. So today you attended this meeting by Vishal. So you met a few unknown people, and this is the small group of people who attended. But there is a large, there's a LinkedIn group as well. There's a Telegram group, and I manage some groups which have IIM community, which I manage. I manage a community of IIM alumni, which has around 8,000 people. But then I also created a community called IIM Family, which has around 1,500 people, which are not IIM alumni, but mostly friends and family. So you need to connect with these networks, and some people also call it, you need to connect with the connectors. So Vishal is one of the connectors. If you connect with Vishal, Vishal can open so many doors for you. And if you connect with Atul, Atul can open so many doors. So I'm saying many people in this group. I'll give like Naman is one of the youngest guys. He's in school, but Naman has a different connection. So you have to identify who exactly is your target audience, and as per that, you have to find the right connections. Like network may always need those nodes and hooks. So you have to find those nodes or those central points who connect many other organizations and people.
Yes, Neeraj, please.
Charlie, I just want to understand, like during this challenging times, have you tried using online technologies like some online platforms, or like having your own YouTube channel or something like that? Have you tried anything of it?
Through the company which I'm working for, actually I'm going live again on this Saturday. Actually, I'm doing an online training. I do a lot of webinar training right now for VIT students across India. That is Bhopal, Andhra Pradesh, and even Vellore and Chennai. I've been training them, and I've got very good feedback. In fact, one of the heads of Bhopal, VIT Bhopal, has said very clearly that I can read it out exactly what he has given me. Such a wonderful feedback today, that it's a treasure to have him, and it was a pleasure to hear his joyous voice.
Then you are doing all the things right. If you are connected to students, if you are getting good feedback, then they are the people who will talk for you, man. Go for internet, go for something which you can provide for free, and then you can attract the folks from there, right? You are well connected. What I have heard from you, like you are having engagements with students. Just show your potential, call them for a 1 hour session. Let's have a webinar, let's have a YouTube,
the
whatever,
like I'm not doing it individually.
Facebook Live or something.
I'm doing through the company which I'm getting this kind of a platform, because I'm thinking that if I take a risk, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि कहीं घर का ना घाट का हो जाए.
नहीं, but parallelly you are building your own brand as well, na? That principal knows that Charlie delivered this thing to me, and Charlie is the person, company is just a provider or just a service provider in between. In this particular field, there is one of my friend, he's also having a company in the same field. His name is Sahil Gandhi. I forgot the name of his company. He's also doing the same thing, and I know that he is the face. Whatever team he's having a team of 10-15 guys working with him, traveling with him everywhere, going to colleges, going to universities, colleges, everywhere. So, but he is the face. People knows him that he is Sahil Gandhi. There are many. There is a person called Bindra. So he is the face. Whatever business he is having, people don't know, but they know that, yes, that person Bindra, who speaks very well, he is a motivator, he's a trainer, he knows things. He can deliver things in the right way, which can directly go into minds. So if you are right now doing it via company, it doesn't matter. You are building your own brand, right?
Yeah.
So one more point to add. Neeraj said some very important points, and to add to that, I am from IIM Ahmedabad, but most of the IITs, many of the IITs have invited me, even though I am not even an engineer. I am a BA pass from Patna. Why IIT Patna or IIT Kharagpur and many others invited me? Because somebody from that network, I remember a guy, they reached out to me through Facebook, not even LinkedIn. They reached out to me through that, and they learned that I'm in Patna that day. So IIT Kharagpur, they had their that annual conference. He wanted me to come and speak in that audience, because he knew about me. What he did his due diligence. This guy, there's another very famous organization, ISEC, mainly for students, internship and correct. So he is a part of ISEC. So he wanted that event was being organized by ISEC. For that ISEC event, this guy, one of the organizers, the students, he wanted me to come to address the students at IIT Kharagpur. And it's a very professional organization, ISEC, so they would pay your flight and ticket and everything else. They're very good treatment they get. So I had a good time. Students had a good time, and more importantly, why I was keen to speak, I was happy to speak there, because I get my network with the students. I mean, I might have a connection with a lot of CEOs and billionaires, but I was equally keen to connect with the students of IIT Kharagpur. So you have to look out at the mutual value add. I will come to the same point. Students might look for something from you, and you have something to offer. Why not? Don't just focus on the corporate. Corporate already they have their professional trainers and training programs, and they will pay you. So go ahead, do that. But there's a lot of competition in that. And in this age, when many of the people in the corporates are firing, and they have a lot of people, their HRs are always don't have much job to do, so that's why they do the training. But try to look for those markets where there's less competition, or at least you have a chance of success. So startups, students, even school students. School students are an audience for you. College students. Don't just go for corporates, because corporate is very, very crowded market, and they have already the names which Vishal talked about, the Bindras, and in America is a very famous guy, Anthony Robbins. He's like a, I don't know, $100,000, very, very obscene amount of it just to attend this program. Or Robin Sharma, another guy, Indian guy. So there's so many speakers, motivational speakers, there are too many. If you have to find a niche, then go for this targeted market for school students, college students, and again, via network. Somebody can introduce you to somebody like Vishal is from IIT Kharagpur. So if Vishal can introduce you to IIT Kharagpur alumni, use Vishal for that. Or Nisha is from, let's say, Jamshedpur. She can introduce you to her network in Jamshedpur, schools from Jamshedpur, or colleges from Jamshedpur. So I would say network with the networkers,
yes,
not just with your network with that people who are networked. And people like Neeraj gave some examples. So Neeraj can introduce you to so many people. So within this community, there are people of such wide variety and diversity. Network with each of the members in the group. Use LinkedIn and the WhatsApp, Telegram group. Network with everyone. And then networking doesn't mean just getting connected them on LinkedIn. That's not networking.
Absolutely, it's completely lost out there. That's what I've been thinking over why things are not working. Because I tried through LinkedIn, Facebook, the high-end buy chalta rehta hai, but there's nothing more coming out of that.
So the thing is, what people get lost is the people get building a big network. That is useless. That's pointless. If over the last 2 months, I have been defriending many people from my LinkedIn or Facebook. I used to follow a lot of people. Everybody who connected to me, I followed them. But then I started unfollowing all of them, except for the 150 odd people whom are really great people, Bill and Melinda Gates and people like that. Okay, I said, but you have to make sure that you choose. You're like swimming in an ocean, but within that you have to find that one particular stream or that particular pond where you will get some targeted audience, targeted clients, prospects. If you're trying to fish in a big ocean, good luck to you, because there are too many big people with competing against you. Try to get a targeted approach.
Absolutely.
Just want to add one more point here. आप पहले दिन से मतलब it may sound a little absurd, but पहले दिन से you can't think of money, particularly in this market. आपको थोड़ा सा कुछ free में देना पड़ेगा, आपको थोड़ा सा कुछ अपने आप को showcase करना पड़ेगा, and आपको दिखाना पड़ेगा that you can add some value and you can provide that service which can be paid for. कुछ free webinar, कुछ free online content, कुछ तो मतलब करके you have to come up to that level that where people will start buying from you.
नीरज के पॉइंट पे आई ऑलवेज ऐड ऑन दैट इज कि नीरज ने पॉइंट बोला, उसको टेक्निकली क्या बोलते हैं, फ्रीमियम, कि गूगल ने पूरी दुनिया को सर्च इंजन फ्री में दे दिया, बट बाद में दे गॉट एडवर्ड्स, दैट्स हाउ दे मेड मनी एंड दे आर द वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट कंपनी इन द वर्ल्ड. तो आपको फ्रीमियम मॉडल यूज करना पड़ेगा. कुछ जो नीरज ने बोला कि आपको फ्री में कुछ देना पड़ेगा, अब सामने वालों को आपका एपेटाइजर जो फ्री का था पसंद आया तो मेन कोर्स दे विल हैव टू पे फॉर इट. तो आपने उन लोगों को अपना, एक और वर्ड है आईएम के मेरे क्लासमेट ने स्टार्ट किया, चखना. तो आपने चखना खिला दिया लोगों को, चखना पसंद आया, उसका स्टार्टअप ही है चखना शॉर्ट्स. तो चखना शॉर्ट्स किसी भी पार्टी में
टकीला शॉट के साथ चखना.
तो आपने चखना के लोगों को चखा दिया, पसंद आया, तब दे विल गो फॉर द मेन कोर्स एंड दे विल गो फॉर द मेन ड्रिंक. तब आप बैठ के उनको 1000 रुपये वाला ड्रिंक हो या 10,000 का ड्रिंक हो वो पियेंगे. बट चखना तो आपको शुरू में चखाना पड़ेगा, वो आप नहीं कर रहे. आप शुरू में ही पैसा लोगे तो आपको कोई नहीं देगा, क्योंकि दे डोंट नो कि व्हाट यू हैव टू ऑफर, दे डोंट नो यू. पहले उनको अपना चखना दिखाओ, फ्री में दिखाओ, और उसके बाद यू कैन बिकम चूजी. एक बार नहीं कि सबको फ्री में हमेशा कराते हो, फ्री भी बहुत अच्छा नहीं. मैंने सीखा है गलती से कि कभी कभी फ्री को लोग वैल्यू नहीं करते. चखना, राइट ऑडियंस को चखना दिखाओ, उसके बाद बोलो कि भैया मेन कोर्स के लिए ये है, और आपका जो सर्विस ऑफरिंग है कि आप फ्री में लेक्चर दे रहे हो, मोटिवेशनल लेक्चर दे रहे हो या जो भी आप दे रहे हो, तो 5 मिनट का फ्री आपने दे दिया, बट पूरा सेशन सुनने के लिए आपको ये सब्सक्राइब करना पड़ेगा या पूरा आपको डाउनलोड करना पड़ेगा। तो आप ज्यादातर देखते हो कि आजकल ज्यादातर पूरी दुनिया में हजारों लाखों ऐप बन रहे हैं, बहुत सारे लोग फ्री में बेचते हैं, बट आफ्टर दैट दे हैव टू सब्सक्राइब टू दैट, यू हैव टू पेड वर्जन लेना पड़ेगा। तो फ्रीमियम मॉडल जो नीरज ने ही बताया, मैं उसी को डिफरेंट वर्ड्स में एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ, तो फ्रीमियम मॉडल वुड सूट बेटर फॉर यू, स्पेशली ट्रेनिंग मार्केट बहुत ज्यादा चलता है।
और द अमाउंट ऑफ चखना मैटर्स अ लॉट, मतलब उसमें वो एलिमेंट होना चाहिए कि वो खींचे आपको, बहुत कम भी नहीं और बहुत ज्यादा भी नहीं, उसका अमाउंट कितना है कि आपकी पूरी पार्टी चखने पे ना चली जाए, वो भी बहुत ध्यान रखने वाली बात है।
और कुछ लोग जाते हैं पार्टी में चखना ही खाने, तो चखना खा के चले
जाते करके, हाँ, that is what the majority of the people are doing.
तो भाई नीरज ने बोला ना कि आपको राइट अमाउंट, राइट टाइम है, तो राइट ऑडियंस, वो सब आपको फिगर आउट करना, दैट्स वेयर यू कम इन, अदरवाइज तो कोई भी कर लेगा। तो चूंकि आपका इतना एक्सपीरियंस है, तो यू हैव टू फिगर इट आउट कि व्हाट इज द right amount and to the right audience.
I just sent you the link of that Facebook thing which I'm doing through a company, so you will also all of you will have an idea what we are planning to for spoken English classes which the company has started, and everything, the content development, every part of it I'm doing it, even the wording that has been put up there, so maybe you can have an idea what exactly.
And that's another thing आपने बहुत कुछ बताया, बट ज्यादातर को आपने क्या बोला, मैंने क्या बोला, किसी को याद नहीं रहेगा, बाद में वीडियो देख सकते हैं, लेकिन आपने लिंक शेयर किया ना, देन पीपल विल check it out on their own time. और किसी को पसंद आया, then they will reach out to you or they will reach out to विशाल कि विशाल मुझे मिस्टर इनसे कनेक्ट करो, मिस्टर चार्ली जैकब से कनेक्ट करो। तो आप एक लिंक जरूर शेयर किया करो। और लिंक में एक और बात होता है, क्या कॉल टू एक्शन होना चाहिए। कॉल टू एक्शन इज कि सब्सक्राइब मी या डाउनलोड मी या शेयर इट। तो आप देखते हो ना, किसी भी इंडिया में आजकल टीवी डिबेट्स पे या यूएस में भी आता है, तो हमेशा लास्ट में यूट्यूब वीडियो पे बोलते हैं कि लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें। वो भी आपको करना पड़ेगा।
So what I'm doing right now through this company itself, I'm just going about everywhere from my network, through my students. I'm trying to do that, though it is giving mileage to the company, but still it is branding me directly or indirectly. So I'm just going with that because I cannot take a risk. I cannot stop everything because I have my own family responsibilities. I have my own home loans to pay. So that's why I cannot even take a risk of doing a startup immediately. So I have to do through somebody and then move up from there, or support somebody and then create something out of it. That is what I'm thinking in the future course of time. But I need to get the right person whom I can trust, and I go about it like that, where I can also take risk. और कुछ पैसे घर पे आते रहेंगे तो फिर you risk लो तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता है, पर अगर हर चीज बंद हो जाए फिर then it's
नहीं। तो चार्ली, उसी पे एक और चीज है कि जितने जो बड़े बड़े आज हम लोग जो लेजेंडरी सक्सेस स्टोरीज की बात करते हैं, चाहे वो जेफ बेजोस हो, चाहे मार्क जकरबर्ग हो, चाहे नारायण मूर्ति हो, उन सब लोगों ने अपने लाइफ में कभी ना कभी बहुत बड़े बड़े जो जितने बड़े बड़े स्टार्टअप्स जो सक्सेस स्टोरी सुनते हैं, तो उन सब लोगों ने साइड में अपना कुछ काम भी करते रहा। कोई रेस्टोरेंट में काम कर रहा है, कोई बारटेंडर है, कोई टैक्सी चला रहा है। उनका एक साइड गिग था ताकि उनका पैसा आते रहे, घर का खर्चा चलाते रहे। मैं भी उबर भी चलाता हूँ, लिफ्ट भी चलाता हूँ, क्योंकि मेरा जो स्टार्टअप है वो बहुत सारे नॉन प्रॉफिट्स है, तो उनको फंड करने के लिए कैश फ्लो भी आते रहना चाहिए।
करेक्ट।
तो आप एक साइड गिग भी करते हो,
कैलकुलेटेड रिस्क तो होना चाहिए, कैलकुलेटेड रिस्क, इट कैन नॉट बी जस्ट अ रिस्क।
और आपका कैश फ्लो बंद नहीं होना चाहिए। दैट्स
करेक्ट, दैट इज व्हाट एग्जैक्टली दैट इज व्हाट आई एम कंसर्न्ड अबाउट, कि अगर मैंने कुछ हल्के किया तो ये कंपनी जिसके साथ हूं वो भी आना बंद हो जाएगा, फिर then everything is back to square one.
So this company, you have some contract like non-competitive agreement on few trainings?
No, like an employee. For 3.5 years now, I've been supporting them. I've been getting very good feedback, so they also want me even now at this situation, though they have laid off many people, but they still need me. And they wanted to think of the online platform, and I told them I'll give you complete support as long as we are going in the right direction. It's okay, because we all think of survival and a lot of things are there. So the company is also that's why they are also going bold enough to go about it. And I'm helping them with the content as well as being their key speaker. So you can see that they have actually put that up, everything for me, and they're putting in YouTube and everything. So today my video has also come for in the YouTube, and even here in the Facebook also they have uploaded, and I think they'll be putting in different marketing.
तो यहाँ पे तो जेकब, one more concern, कि आपने अपना कंटेंट किसी कंपनी के थ्रू दे दिया एज एम्प्लॉय के रूप में, बट वो कंटेंट अब आपका नहीं रहा, उस कंपनी का हो गया। तो मेक श्योर कि आप इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी जो भी है ना आपकी कंटेंट की, वो इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी यू शुड आल्सो हैव योर ओन इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी व्हिच नोबडी एल्स कैन यूज इट विदाउट योर परमिशन और विदाउट पेइंग अ रॉयल्टी और सम सॉर्ट ऑफ फीस टू यू। अदरवाइज फ्री में दे दीजिएगा सब कुछ तो योर कंपनी विल यूज इट एंड फिर आपके पास कुछ नहीं रहेगा।
That's something which I need to think about it because I never thought about it.
Free में नहीं दिया ना इन्होंने, he is paid like a monthly fixed salary to make that content.
Salary जैसा अभी तो आधा आ रहा है, वो अलग बात है।
जो भी नहीं
as long as पैसा आ रहा है तो it's not free.
Yeah. So I mean they're paying you as an employee that एक महीना आपको।
I'm trying to justify them.
We'll make.
But I'm keeping also my own things also because in the pipeline even I'm thinking of something to do because this is not sufficient for me getting half salary like that way.
इसीलिए मैं वो जो क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा था ना कि you might have competitive clause or something on specific things, but you might have more skills than those. Let's say you know 10 things, right? But for the company you're doing 5 only. Other 5 company shouldn't bother. ऐसा कुछ है या नहीं है?
ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं है क्योंकि they are completely they trust me and I'm going about it. And जो मैं बोलता हूँ because all
ये company like they do all kinds of training that you do. Is there something, some exclusive thing that you can do, but the company isn't paying you for that, something like that? So for that you can have your own YouTube channel or something. You can do your own thing because वो clash नहीं किया है ना आपके company के course से. Yes, Mr. Neeraj.
नहीं, कंपनी जो कर रही है वो कॉलेज के थ्रू करती है, कॉलेज के उनका पूरा ट्रेनिंग जो भी होता है वो सब कॉलेज के तरफ ही होता है। तो
वो मैं समझ गया, the subjects, the topics of training like sales training. If you're doing sales training for the company, then sales you can have your own video floated on your own YouTube channel, right?
Okay, but I don't know whether how comfortable they'll be if I have to.
So this you can talk to them or you can find out कि contractually या कुछ. Is there anything you can do as a side or nothing as such? I mean, you can find from your boss, right? Yes,
correct. Yeah, Vishal. So I was just about to talk about the same thing which you have just talked कि आप side में कुछ कर सकते हैं क्योंकि बहुत से organization ऐसा करने के लिए allow करते हैं and especially in these kind of fields where creativity is involved. तो अगर आप ऐसा कुछ कर सकते हैं चार्ली, आई हैव अ रियली क्विक सजेशन फॉर यू व्हिच आई ऑलवेज ट्राई टू गिव टू समवन जो भी इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे आता है कि आप अभी एकदम इमीडिएट क्या एक्शन ले सकते हैं। समर्स आर हियर, किड्स आर एट होम, प्रिपेयर सम कंटेंट अराउंड इट फॉर पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट फॉर किड्स। इट्स हॉट केक राइट नाउ। पेरेंट्स आर रियली फोकस्ड कि हमारे बच्चे की वो पर्सनालिटी ग्रूम होके आए। हमारा बच्चा जब बाहर से कोई मेहमान आता है तो शर्माता है। हमारा बच्चे को बोलना आना चाहिए, हमारा बच्चा आउटशाइन करे स्टेज पे, ठीक है। क्रिएट सम कंटेंट अराउंड इट। आई नो कंटेंट राइटिंग इज द मोस्ट हर्ड पार्ट, नहीं तो आज के टाइम पे हर कोई स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियन बन जाता। कंटेंट आप अगर एक हफ्ता 10 दिन लगा के बना सकते हैं, ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ जून यू कैन गो फॉर इट। एडवर्टाइज ऑन फेसबुक, 10 रुपए 20 रुपए में एडवर्टाइजमेंट चला सकते हैं। टारगेटेड सेगमेंट, टारगेटेड कस्टमर्स, मेट्रो सिटीज, एज ग्रुप जिनका बच्चा 8 साल का है, ये वो, ऐसा करके आप एक बहुत अच्छा एक इमीडिएट मूव ले सकते हैं जहां से आपके पास अगर 100 बच्चे भी आ जाते हैं। एंड डोंट थिंक अबाउट अर्निंग एट दिस टाइम। सीधा कहो 1000 रुपए का कोर्स है, 15 दिन का कोर्स है, एंड योर चाइल्ड विल स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग अप, योर चाइल्ड विल स्टार्ट लॉजिकल थिंकिंग, योर चाइल्ड will have a different outlook. Just advertise in a way and I think you can fly. That's it from my side.
I'll let me also think in this same line. I was thinking about it and I started working on it, but this company was also asking me the same thing. But because all of a sudden there was from one particular school, they came to me and they asked like that when my company had no clue, so they forwarded me that can you handle this particular case? And then that time I was not prepared for that, but it was going in my mind that I should do something about it. And I'm already in touch with British Council and everything. I work very closely with Cambridge, so in that case I get all kind of quality materials which I can prepare and go along with that. Whether obviously the parents will be wanting to spend if they have to spend also on these kind of things because it's up to the market standards. It's not like anything has been compromised.
Yeah, man, sky's the limit. Go for it.
Absolutely. I think that's a very good advice. I think I should focus on that as well. Summer camp, but then summer camp almost is getting over now. May is gone.
No,
June,
don't worry about it.
This
Now
COVID is
summer
going to kill us.
Till September.
Yes, absolutely. That's what I'm thinking. How far the students are going to come out to do something, and whether the government is going to allow them, to what extent. That's also the biggest question mark, because that was in the pipeline, the summer camp entire thing episode was
Yeah.
there.
So just like think of this group discussion, right? I also do it with some people. If you do it as a personality grooming group discussion, that's something people might be willing to pay a bit of a premium, right? It depends. आपको मतलब पहुंचना होगा, आपको थोड़ा marketing में करना होगा. But these things work a lot. English speaking is a very big problem. Shyness is a very big problem. बच्चे को बहुत कुछ आता है, but जब बोलने का टाइम आता है तो बस खत्म.
हो जाता है पूरा.
एक और इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग पे बोलना चाहता हूँ कि मैं बहुत हर वीकेंड को एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है फ्रीडम इंग्लिश एकेडमी FEA, तो उनके जो फंडर हैं जो है वो यूएस में कैलिफोर्निया में, बट वो टीम जो है वो इंडिया में दिल्ली में है. तो वो लोग तो फ्रीडम इंग्लिश एकेडमी का एक मॉडल है कि वो लोग इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है इंडिया में, स्पेशली इन द हिंटरलैंड, मतलब कि बिहार में, झारखंड में या उड़ीसा में या कहीं भी. तो वो फ्रीडम इंग्लिश एकेडमी को क्या करती है, इंग्लिश फ्री में पढ़ाती है. और मैंने भी उसके लिए, और इंग्लिश नहीं पढ़ाती है, इंग्लिश के अलावा वो पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट के लिए बेसिकली स्टूडेंट्स को वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस के थ्रू एक एक्सपोजर दे रहे हैं. तो कभी मैंने दिया, कभी और बहुत सारे उनके लोग हैं, उनके पूरे स्कूल ऑफ स्पीकर्स हैं. तो वी कम देयर, वी टॉक टू द स्टूडेंट्स. ना वो स्टूडेंट्स को जो समझ लीजिए गांव के स्कूल के बच्चे हैं, बहुत बैकग्राउंड नहीं है, उनको एक एनवायरनमेंट मिल रहा है, एक्सपोजर मिल रहा है, दे कैन आस्क एनी क्वेश्चंस. तो उनको ये भी अच्छा लगता है कि अच्छा बैठे बैठे मुंगेर के बिहार के मुंगेर में बैठे हुए बच्चे उनको वीडियो के थ्रू, एंड उनको कोई न्यूयॉर्क से, कोई कैलिफोर्निया से या कोई लंदन से दे रहा है, तो दैट इटसेल्फ इज अ बिग मोटिवेटर फॉर देम कि उनको पूरे लगता है कि हमको हमारे टीचर पूरी दुनिया में फैले हुए हैं. तो सिमिलरली यू माइट हैव टू बिल्ड अ कम्युनिटी. जैसे विशाल ने कम्युनिटी बनाया ग्रुप डिस्कशन का, तो इसमें जो भी लोग हैं फ्री में हम लोग अपना ज्ञान बांटते हैं या जो भी आपस में एक दूसरे सीखते हैं. तो आपको कम्युनिटी बिल्डिंग पे ध्यान देना पड़ेगा. वंस यू बिल्ड अ कम्युनिटी, तो फिर उसके बाद आपको कम्युनिटी के बाद कंटेंट आएगा, कंटेंट के बाद कॉमर्स भी आ जाएगा, पैसा भी आएगा. बट आप स्टार्टिंग में कॉमर्स पे आओगे तो नहीं होगा, पहले आपको कंटेंट बनाना होगा, कंटेंट के पहले कम्युनिटी बनाना पड़ेगा.
Both can go in parallel, content and community also. Can I issue?
Yes, absolutely.
और देखिए, I think I was reading somewhere, blogging and YouTube, ये दो चीज is something which can be money making for a lot of people, like the people who can write or make videos. Both can be monetized for marketing, to be AdSense and all, right? So these two things, and I think few more things, copywriting. I think because I think what I understand is you are doing so much English, you can even do some copywriting, some kind of proofread and things like that as a side. And वो आपके current training program से clash भी नहीं करेगा.
करे अभी तो हम लोग घर में बैठे हैं, तो कम से कम कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा साइड बाय साइड आता रहे, तो that is very good.
कहीं भी बैठे हैं तो भी आप कर सकते हैं. लाइक जैसे आप जो स्कूल कॉलेज में बच्चे पढ़ते हैं, वो पार्ट टाइम ट्यूशंस भी देते हैं बहुत सारे, राइट? सो व्हाट डज दैट ट्यूशन गिव देम? दैट गिव्स देम सम एक्स्ट्रा बक्स, ऐश करने के लिए या व्हाटएवर, उनका अपना स्टार्टअप भी चलाना है या कुछ जो भी करना है, व्हाटएवर करना है.
फिर एक और चीज मिस हो गया था विशाल, यूडेमी और कोर्सेरा, उस पे भी कुछ आप बना सकते हैं, क्योंकि पूरी दुनिया आजकल यूडेमी और कोर्सेरा से ही पढ़ रही है, स्कूल के बच्चे हो चाहे बड़े बच्चे हो.
And I don't know if you follow Vivek Bindra. Do see his videos, the way he makes content and things. It's really very inspiring. And
Udemy, no, I've been through that. I've gone through that. It's very nice.
Vivek Bindra bhi hai. He's a motivational speaker, and he makes case studies, and he runs an online program also for entrepreneurs now. So initially he built a personal brand, और उससे फिर उन्होंने सेशंस करने शुरू किए, उसके पैसे चार्ज किए, फिर अब उन्होंने इसको पूरा सब कुछ ऑनलाइन कर दिया, लाइक 1500-2000 कुछ लगता है पर में, वैसा कोर्स बना दिया उन्होंने, तो स्केलेबल प्रोडक्ट. सो यू कैन आल्सो थिंक इन समथिंग इन दैट लाइन, बिकॉज यू ऑलरेडी हैव दैट public speaking skills and all, and this is one skill which is very valuable. Intelligent बच्चा have problems in public speaking, and the other way around also, right? People who are good in public speaking may not be so good in academics as such.
Correct, that happens most of the time.
But जैसे आपने sales का भी बोला, ये बोला, तो वो भी एक चीज है, I think. Okay, anyway, other people want to have any comment?
Thank you so much for your advice, all of you. Thank you so much, Neeraj.
Yeah, so we do this session every day.
I think we should get in touch with each other like this way. I think accidentally I just happened to see it. You know, I just finished my class.
Group did you see? Wala?
I saw it in one of the group. Actually, till 9 o'clock was my class, and the moment I was coming out, I was going to log out actually, and then suddenly I saw it through your discussion group. Something is there. Discussion at 8 p.m.
अच्छा वो एक और है एक्चुअली, वो 8 PM अलग करते हैं हम लोग, आधा घंटे का होता है. That is on English. But this 10 PM is on business mainly.
Maybe you can add me into it now that you have my number. I think you have my number.
I don't know. You can write your number here. I sent.
Yeah, I'll just mention my number there.
So you can join those groups.
Correct. I will just add you up because accidentally only I just happened to see. I said, wow, let me. And my wife was also saying, come, let's go for an evening walk. I said, no. Let me see something different is going to come. अभी भी हमारे नरेंद्र मोदी साहब ने कुछ बोला है.
करते हुए भी कर सकते हैं. एक हेडफोन लगा कर.
मतलब नरेंद्र मोदी साहब ने कुछ बोला है, तो उसी में इमीडिएटली कुछ काम चल रहा है, तो लगता है कि कुछ ना कुछ अलग ही होगा बात. तो let me be part of it.
और जैसे आपने बोला ना, अलग कुछ अलग आप जब भी करेंगे उसका हमेशा मोनेटाइज करना और whatever, I mean, it will give you some kind of benefit, personal branding, I don't know, some kind of satisfaction or something.
Yeah, I'm in Telegram also. I'm in Telegram also.
Yeah. So Telegram or LinkedIn group hai. And this we do every day at 10 PM.
Okay.
So you, and the same link, the same joining link works. So you feel free to join.
Yeah, sure. I'll do that. Thank you so much for your time.
Sure.
My wife is literally waiting, and they're all awake. Even my kid is awake. Okay, thank you so much. Good night, all of you. Take care.
Bye.
God bless.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. So anyone else has any comment on this, or I think maybe somebody may have picked something from this. Rishabha. Rishabha, are you here?
Yes, Vishal.
Yes, I think you were trying to present something few days ago about some idea or something.
Yeah, actually, I'm working on like you may say two ideas. Let me set the links. So first I have to share about them. First is it's Zomato Services. It's a recruitment company. So we are dealing with recruit India wide and in all the all the colors and all these things. Yeah. So it's
one question from you.
Yeah.
So many months back, I don't know when, last year sometime you reached out to me as a volunteer intern, but after that I added you to all the groups, but I didn't get anything from you at all. What happened?
Sorry sir for that. Yeah sir, I that time I was in college, so I want to do something, that's why I'm connecting with you, but due to some time issues or lot of projects, it's these are all excuses.
No, you don't have to explain. I just wanted to raise that everything is okay, because what happens is your reputation is your main thing, and if you let's say if you have one bad experience with one company, one startup, then people will talk about it. So you have to be very careful about protecting your brand and reputation. Don't promise which you can't fulfill.
Yes sir. Actually sir, I work on building startups and all these things. So a whole day I just brainstorming, and I do brainstorming and all these things to do something, and I just divert my mind from all kind of other stuffs. I don't know why, but sorry for that.
I mean, that's okay. Let's not even get into that. I just wanted to highlight it for many others, that I keep highlighting this fact that volunteering, internships is a great way to build relationships and learn and things.
Yes,
but
sir, yes.
It also has a side effect. In case you break the trust of somebody, then that person is never going to refer you or never going to talk positively about you.
Yes, sir. But
so anyway, I think you can apologize for that. That's what you should do always.
I will like again. I am promising, but like from now I will try to always stay with you, with your community and all.
नहीं तो देखो ऐसा है ना कि अगर नहीं कर पा रहे हो ना काम, तो एक मैसेज दे दो कि सर बिकॉज ऑफ अदर कमिटमेंट्स आई एम नॉट।
हाँ, that's the main thing. विशाल ने जो बोला ना, communicate. आपने प्रॉमिस किया, आप नहीं कर पाओगे, हो सकता है लाइफ में आ जाती हैं एग्जाम्स आ गए, हेल्थ इशू आ गया, कुछ ना कुछ आ जाता है लाइफ में, एक्सीडेंट्स, डिस्ट्रैक्शंस कीप हैपनिंग, बट कम्युनिकेशन इज की. डोंट ओवर प्रॉमिस एंड अंडर डिलीवर. या if you can't do something, then let them know कि sorry, things have changed, my situation has changed. So communication बहुत important point है. That's what I wanted. I don't want to put you in spot. बाकी लोगों के लिए मैसेज दे रहा हूँ.
Yeah, it's for everyone. I mean, let's say तुमने बोल दिया कि if you have said कि you will do this, you cannot do for some reason. There is always and apology message or communication can just keep the relation intact at least.
Yeah, sure.
Otherwise फिर लगता है कि ये interested नहीं है. हाँ बोलो.
Yeah, sir. Actually, मैं actually मेरे को ये भी लगा था, like I'm a volunteer. I'm just a very 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 teeny part of your organization. Like you are on that position, so you may or may not be the time for me to for one-to-one conversation and all these things. So that's why I didn't message you in that way, like in a friendly way, or I didn't want you to disturb you. And other is yeah, I think it was my fault. But I assume that I am just a little part. So my existence are maybe not important, not that much important for this organization, your organization. So that's why I don't मेरे को इतना नहीं पता था कि मेरे को करना है काम. तो मेरे को ऐसा लगा था हाँ मैं जुड़ गया, मतलब हाँ मैं करूंगा आगे इसके लिए ऑफ कोर्स करूंगा, पर मेरे को वो नहीं पता था आप मेरे को उसलिए जुड़े हो ताकि मैं कंटिन्यू.
एक वर्ड है बहुत बार यूज करते हैं लोग, assume. Assume me, बहुत लोग इसको कोट करते हैं. Never assume anything. Whenever in doubt, clarify.
Yes.
चलो ठीक है. Yeah, tell your what ideas you were talking about. Yeah.
Sorry, Atul sir, but I will remain in touch with you lifetime. I can promise this.
Sorry that I brought the point. Let's move on to the main topic, the positive other things.
Yeah, your idea, please. Yeah.
So, sir, actually, I'm working on ekachra.com. Like my startup name is ekachra.com. I build a website. Can I say it?
Yeah, sure. You can write, or you want to share screen?
No. It's link. I am setting the link.
Yeah. Okay. Sure. Yeah.
Just a minute. Yeah, it is. It's a ekachra.com. So you can schedule a pickup your electronic waste for your electronic waste. मतलब कि electronic waste अभी आपने घर के बाहर कूड़ा कचरा लेने प्लास्टिक वाले कचरा लेने वाले आते हैं, जो हेयर से जो बाल कलेक्ट करने वाले आते हैं. बट जो ई कचरा है, जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वेस्ट है, अपने जो फोन है या फिर लैपटॉप्स है, काफी कंपटीटर्स है. मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा कि है नहीं, मतलब एग्जिस्ट नहीं कर रहे इस टाइप के लोग, बट काफी है कि अपन सेल ही नहीं कर पाते उस चीज को. काफी टाइम से सालों तक अपने घर के अंदर पड़े रहते हैं, और काफी ज्यादा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वेस्ट वो इकट्ठा होता जा रहा है. तो मैं इस चीज पे काम कर रहा हूँ कि आफ्टर दिस रिसेशन, मतलब लोगों के पास पैसे नहीं होंगे, तो ऑफ कोर्स अगर हम उनके घर पे जाके उनको पैसे दे रहे हैं कि ये लो आपके पैसे और आप हमें अपना सामान दे दो जो वेस्ट है, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वेस्ट. तो ये पार्ट तो क्लियर हो गया मेरा, मतलब वो हो जाएगा. ठीक है. और जो वेबसाइट बना ली, तो ये आप देखना काफी सिंपल और इफेक्टिव, सिंपल टू यूज है इसका, जो वो क्या बोलते हैं, UX UI. या also ये अच्छा है. बट अब मैं ना वो फिगर आउट करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, मतलब कि अब मैं कैसे मेरे लिए अभी जो रिसाइकलर जो होते हैं मशीन्स वगैरह वो इतने लगाने मेरे लिए पॉसिबल नहीं है, क्योंकि आई एम इन कॉलेज राइट नाउ, सो इतना पैसा नहीं है मेरे पास ज्यादा इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए। बट वो मैं ट्राई कर रहा हूँ कि कैसे मैं ना जो ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्ट रिसाइकलर्स है, ठीक है, उनसे कैसे नेटवर्क बिल्ड करूँ, ताकि मैं यहाँ से जो कचरा लेके जाऊंगा लोगों के घरों से, वो वहां पे फिर उनको डिलीवर कर दूं, और फिर वो हमारे राजस्थान में की जो गवर्नमेंट है, उन्होंने काफी वो है ना जो क्या बोलते हैं, कारखाने बोलते हैं क्या उनको, उन्होंने बनाए हैं, बट वो है ना अभी अंडर यूटिलाइज है, इतना ई वेस्ट वहां पे पहुंच ही नहीं पा रहा, क्योंकि लोग, अब आप बताओ, आपके घर टूटा हुआ फोन है, आप कहाँ बेचने जाओगे बाहर, वही है। तो उस सब के लिए वही है कि मैंने ई वेस्ट में आने की सोची फिर।
ओके,
सो अब मैं आप सबसे एज अपन कम्युनिटी आप सबसे बस रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, अगर सर आपके पास अगर रिसाइकलर्स वगैरह के कांटेक्ट हो अच्छे हो, सो मतलब आप कनेक्ट करवा सकते हो, मतलब मैं भी लोगों को ढूंढ रहा हूँ, मतलब, और मेंटरिंग पता है दिक्कत क्या है, मैं अभी कॉलेज में हूँ ना, तो मतलब आइडियाज है मेरे पास एग्जीक्यूट कर पाता हूँ, बट है ना एकदम ऐसे पूरा मार्केट में आना, हर चीज सिंगल हैंडेड करना पॉसिबल नहीं है, सो मैं टीममेट्स ढूंढ रहा हूँ, मतलब को फाउंडर्स।
ठीक है, so I think what I understand is you need recyclers connections, but अगर अभी जैसे गूगल वगैरह पे सर्च करोगे तो क्या मिला है, कुछ कभी किया है अभी तक?
किस पे?
मतलब गूगल सर्च पे या इंटरनेट पे कहीं रिसाइकलर्स जो एग्जिस्टिंग है अभी कैसे ई वेस्ट हैंडल होता है?
अभी ई वेस्ट कुछ कंपनियां है जो ये हैंडल करती है, बट जो घरों से ई वेस्ट हैंडल करने वाली बहुत कम कंपनीज है, बहुत कम स्टार्टअप्स ही है, लेकिन जो और कंपनी है जो कंपनी B2B काम करते हैं, जो जैसे कंपनीज की जो ई वेस्ट वगैरह है उनको वो ले जाती है, फिर उनको रिसाइकलर्स को दे देती है, इस टाइप के काम होते हैं।
मुझे जहाँ तक समझ में आया, बहुत लोग क्या बोलते हैं कि पुराना लैपटॉप लेके आइए, नया लैपटॉप ले जाइए, और नया लैपटॉप में लाइक आपको ना 2-4 हज़ार कम कर देंगे, या जो भी 8-10 हज़ार कम कर देंगे एज अ बाई बैक ऑफर, राइट? And then those companies would have that tie up with recyclers, or they might be doing their own recycling या जो भी होगा, ठीक है? तो ऐसा कुछ होता होगा, ये थोड़ा सा पता करो।
हाँ, मैं वही मार्केट रिसर्च कर रहा हूँ, बट लैपटॉप तो एक पार्ट है आपके पास, लैपटॉप हो गया, टूटा हुआ एसी हो गया, रेफ्रिजरेटर हो गया, 1000 चीजें हैं, तो कुछ तो वो वाले पार्ट ये भी संभाल रहे जो ऑलरेडी प्लास्टिक रिसाइकलर्स वगैरह है ना, जो रबड़ में, प्लास्टिक, स्टील वगैरह में काम करते हैं, तो वो भी इसमें थोड़ा बहुत इन्वॉल्व है, बट एक अच्छा सिस्टम नहीं है अपने कंट्री में, जो पूरा इंडिया के जो घरों से रिसाइकलर्स सारे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स आइटम्स को वापस ले जाए और रिसाइकलर को दे, क्योंकि इसमें जो रॉ प्रोडक्ट्स बनते हैं ना, वो काफी डिमांड है, जैसे प्लास्टिक या जो भी स्टील वगैरह है, या जो जितना भी रो मटेरियल है, स्टील हो गया, एल्यूमिनियम हो गया, 1000 चीजें हैं, सो वो एक इंडिया को जरूरत है इस टाइप की चीज की, तो मेरे को ऐसा लगता है।
करेक्ट। तो तुम ग्रुप में हो ना, व्हाट्सएप, टेलीग्राम वगैरह जो है? मैं
बस शेयर करने वाला था, बट अभी स्टार्ट
शेयर ग्रुप में शेयर करो, यहाँ तो अभी 10 लोग हैं, 8 लोग हैं, जो भी है, अभी बच्चे कुछ लोग चले भी गए, तो you might be able to find some people, and also in your college share this कि क्या ये चाहिए वो चाहिए, फेसबुक पेज पे को फाउंडर्स चाहिए बेसिकली, राइट? अभी को फाउंडर्स मिलने का चांसेस ज्यादा है, क्योंकि बहुत लोगों का जॉब लगेगा नहीं लगेगा।
मेरी लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल ऐसी है, उसमें 4 को फाउंडर्स है ऑलरेडी, ठीक है, मतलब अलग अलग कंपनी से, तो उसमें मैंने ऊपर डाला है कि लुकिंग फॉर बिजनेस पार्टनर, बट सर दिक्कत ये होती है कि बिजनेस पार्टनर्स ऐसे जो मिलते हैं ना, वो पता नहीं आपके लाइक माइंडेड हो ना हो, वो डिपेंड करता है।
वो तो पता चल जाएगा ना धीरे धीरे, वो तो शुरू में थोड़ी उनको सब कुछ दे दोगे, उनको जो स्टेक वगैरह भी लिखोगे, that will have a clause कि you have to work with us for 2 years or something, and I think मैं आज किसी को एडवाइस कर रहा था कि the easiest way to transfer stake is probably to a co-founder, you can decide a salary of the co-founder, and then keep accumulating that salary for 2 years or 1 year, जो भी है, and then convert that salary to a stake valuation as a running valuation kind of roughly, with some maybe some perks maybe, तो ये एक one good way होगा, और उस तरह से वो टिके भी रहेंगे, और जो नहीं टिका वो स्टेक का सारा एग्रीमेंट नल एंड वॉइड हो जाएगा उनका। देख सकते हो इसको गूगल पे भी सर्च कर सकते हो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एग्रीमेंट कैन यू हैव विद पार्टनर्स।
हाँ लाइक स्टार्टिंग में तो वही ज्यादा प्रेफरेबल रहता है लाइक इंस्टेड ऑफ कि लाइक 50-50 का को-फाउंडर बनाने से पहले सैलरी बेसिस पे बनो और फिर कैसा आपका लाइक माइंड साथ जाता है उसके बाद में उसको कन्वर्ट करो उसको, तो वो ज्यादा बेटर रहता है।
करेक्ट, बहुत लोग इसलिए इंटर्नशिप देते हैं ना पहले, उसके बाद फुल टाइम में हायर करते हैं। इट्स वेरी सिमिलर टू दैट सेम concept, very much similar like dating then marry. Yes Neeraj.
विशाल मेरा सिर्फ एक यहाँ पे कमेंट था। ऋषभ, देयर इज अ वेल फंडेड स्टार्टअप इन दिस स्पेस by the name Cash Karo.
Cash Karo,
Cashify, sorry पता नहीं मेरे को यार, Cash something is there, Cashify, Cash Karo पता नहीं कुछ तो है।
किस इंडस्ट्री में डील कर रहा है वो?
सेम इंडस्ट्री लाइक यू।
लाइक घरों से कचरा ले जाता है वो सब?
घरों से तो नहीं है शायद, उसका मॉडल थोड़ा ऐसा है कि उसकी जगह जगह पे पॉइंट कुछ वो मतलब बना देते हैं। हाँ, कलेक्शन पॉइंट्स हैं एंड देयर यू कैन गो, you can sell your device and they will give you cash for that.
So Mr. Neeraj, if we are talking about the same company ना, तो ये दिल्ली में बहुत ज़्यादा है and I was there for my graduation 3 साल में, तो मैंने देखा है, मेरे देखते देखते आया। They have, if we are talking about the same company, तो इन लोगों ने ना मेट्रो स्टेशंस को बहुत अपना टारगेट बनाया है। तो इन्होंने हर मेट्रो स्टेशन पे अपना एक काउंटर खोल दिया, but then they are only exchanging mobile phones.
नहीं, अभी वो सब स्पेस में आ गए हैं, मतलब सारे तरह के ई प्रोडक्ट्स में वो आ गए हैं एंड रिसेंटली दे गॉट 7 to 10 millions ऑफ फंडिंग एज वेल पिछले महीने।
ओके बट अगेन अपन अगर सेम कंपनी की बात करें तो मैंने इनको दिल्ली मेट्रो में बहुत देखा है एंड स्पेशली राजीव चौक मेट्रो स्टेशन में। तो
I think this is Cassify.
You know the company?
Well, I say that this company name is Cassify and this is saying
yeah sure go ahead.
तो मैं जो बोल रहा था ना, पता है क्या होता है कई बार, मेरे पास एक पुराना कोई नोकिया का फोन पड़ा है, मतलब आदमी उतनी जद्दोजहद कई बार नहीं करता है कि मैं एक साइट पे जाऊं, वहां पे रजिस्टर करूं और फिर मेरे घर पे कोई आए एक 500 रुपए का फोन लेने और वो फिर मेरे साथ नेगोशिएट करके उसके 50 रुपए देके जाए। समटाइम्स दिस बिजनेस मॉडल ना वर्क्स वेल कि आप पॉइंट्स बना दो, जैसे मेट्रो स्टेशंस, उसमें आपको कोई बहुत बड़ा स्क्वायर फीट एरिया नहीं चाहिए, आपको 3x3 का एक काउंटर लगा के भी काम चलेगा, ठीक है। बस लोग आते जाते वहां पे डाल दे, ठीक है, आप उनको उसी टाइम तुरंत इवैल्यूएशन करके गिव देम व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू गिव। और वो मेरी को जो मेरी पर्सनल फीलिंग आती है, गट फीलिंग, जो आदमी सोचता है कि क्या मैं ये करना चाहूंगा, मैं नहीं करना चाहूंगा। मैं घूमते फिरते अगर उस काउंटर के आसपास से रोज गुजरता हूँ मेट्रो में जाते हुए, तो मैं वहां पे ड्रॉप करना ज्यादा पसंद करूंगा। दैट्स माय पॉइंट।
एक्चुअली मैं एक पॉइंट ऐड करना चाहूंगा। लाइक सेम स्टार्टअप ऐसा है कि जैसे गांव में 50 दुकानें हैं, ठीक है, ग्रोसरी की, तो एट द एंड ऑफ द मंथ है ना, लाइक सभी की सभी लाइक 50,000 रुपए लाइक कुछ अमाउंट लेके ही उठती है। तो कॉम्पिटिटर्स लाइक हाँ है और नहीं भी है, तो लाइक इंडिया में इतनी ज्यादा पॉपुलेशन है, हर कोई अपना एरिया कवर कर रहा है। तो अब आप अपन वहां देख सकते हैं जहाँ पे ये लाइक वो कैसीफाई मेरे घर पे कभी नहीं आया, मैं ये मानता हूँ। तो वो वाली चीज है। और दूसरी चीज ये है कि लाइक मैं कभी नहीं चाहूंगा कि मैं घर से अपनी टूटी हुई एसी या टूटा हुआ फ्रीज लेके बाहर जाऊं और फिर बेच के आऊं। मेरे को शर्म से आती है, पता नहीं क्यों।
हाँ, अगर उतनी बड़ी कम्युनिटी में आप डील करना चाहते हैं लाइक एसीज एंड फ्रीज एंड टीवीज, तो डेफिनेटली मेरा अभी तक जो फोकस था वो लैपटॉप और मोबाइल पे था, टू बी वेरी ट्रू।
हाँ
नहीं तो देखो, इसके लिए तुम्हें को-फाउंडर्स जो बोल रहे हो ना, वो तुम्हारा हेल्प करेंगे। तुम्हें जिस चीज में शर्म आ रहा है, मैं वैसा लोग को जनाऊंगा जैसे उस चीज में शर्म ना है, ताकि आपस का मैच हो, राइट?
नो सर, मैं लोगों के लिए बोल रहा था कि मैं एज ए मतलब कस्टमर मैं बाहर फ्रीज लेके नहीं जाऊंगा अपना टूटा हुआ बेचने। वो कस्टमर्स के लिए बोला था। तो हम लाइक घर पे जो डिलीवरी लाइक घर पे जाके लोगों से ले रहे हैं, उस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में मैं बोल रहा था। मैं
अभी एक्चुअली एक और चीज कर सकते हो। आई थिंक अभी कोविड का टाइम है, मेरे जस्ट माइंड में आया, यू कैन जस्ट कलेक्ट दिस ई वेस्ट फ्रॉम पीपल as a COVID donation, and lot of people might be willing to give you just for like that. I mean, they will not expect any money from you. ऐसी भी डोनेशन कर ही रहे हैं, कैश से अच्छा कुछ सामान कर देना। लाइक आई मीन कैश के अलावा इंसान से कुछ भी मांग लो ना, वो दे देता है बड़ा इजीली। कैश सबसे हार्ड निकलता है किसी के पॉकेट से।
गूंज इज द बेस्ट एग्जांपल।
हाँ, या सो
गूंज में
think
कुछ
about
भी
it. I mean, you can, yes, Neeraj, you can explain a bit.
हाँ, अतुल सर गूंज के बारे में ज्यादा जानते हैं। हालांकि गूंज का यही है कि वो कहते हैं कि कुछ भी दीजिए, हम हर चीज लेते हैं, और हमारे पास जो भी आप देंगे वो कहीं ना कहीं जरूरतमंद के पास ही पहुंचेगा। और बहुत दिल खोल के लोग देते हैं। ऑफिस के आपके मतलब गुड़गांव में तो मैंने देखा है कंपनीज में भी गूंज के बॉक्सेस रखे होते हैं, आप जाओ और कुछ भी डाल दो जो भी आपको लग रहा है कि ये मेरे काम का नहीं है। कोई स्वेटर है, कोई जूते हैं, कोई बुक है, कोई खिलौना है बच्चे का, कुछ भी, लोग सब कुछ डालते हैं।
यहाँ पे नीरज, थैंक्स फॉर शेयरिंग दैट। अंशु गुप्ता जो गूंज के फाउंडर हैं, आई नो हिम फॉर प्रीटी वेल। लास्ट वीक हमारे सिलिकॉन वैली में हम लोग वॉलंटियर करते हैं, आशा सिलिकॉन वैली, आशा फॉर एजुकेशन। ही वाज द स्पीकर इन दैट। उन्होंने जो स्टोरी की, तो उनकी स्टोरी से जो लेसन ये है, और सिमिलर एक और स्टोरी में एग्जांपल देता हूँ डॉक्टर बिंदेश्वर पाठक का, कि उन्होंने आपकी वेस्ट को, आपके फेंके हुए चीज को या आपके यूजलेस चीज को वैल्यू कर दिया। आपके लिए हो सकता है वो यूजलेस हो, बट किसी और के लिए बहुत वैल्यूबल हो सकता है। तो इस मॉडल पे बहुत सारे लोगों ने अपना बिजनेस बनाया है, बहुत सारे नॉन प्रॉफिट बनाया है। बिंदेश्वर पाठक का एग्जांपल मैं दे रहा हूँ, जैसे गूंज का एग्जांपल तो होता है कि हमारा सबसे गंदा चीज क्या होता है, मॉर्निंग में हम लोग जो एक्सक्रीट करते हैं, और उस चीज को लेकर एक बहुत बड़ा बिजनेस बनाया है। बिहार के ही हैं हालांकि, डॉक्टर बिंदेश्वर पाठक। तो इज वेरी रिच गाय, एंड उन्होंने किसी भी आप लोग सब लोगों ने कभी ना कभी यूज किया होगा इंडिया में, कहीं भी आप जाओगे, रेलवे स्टेशन हो, एयरपोर्ट हो, उनका जो टॉयलेट होता है वो सुलभ के द्वारा ऑपरेट करता है, सुलभ इंटरनेशनल। नरेंद्र मोदी जी का ये स्वच्छ भारत तो बाद में आया, ये सुलभ तो 20-30 साल से ज्यादा चल रहा है। तो इवन शिट को भी उन्होंने वैल्यू कर दिया। एंड सुलभ इज नॉट ए नॉन प्रॉफिट, उसमें एवरीबडी हु गोज देयर they have to buy a token, pay some 50 पैसे या एक जो भी है, एंड उस पे भी उन्होंने काफी पैसा कमाया। तो किसी भी चीज से पैसा कमाया जा सकता है। The only thing is you have to assemble this in a manner or convert this in a manner where it's of some value to somebody else. तो उसके बाद उन्होंने उसी के गोबर गैस का प्लांटेशन से एनर्जी वगैरह भी बनाते थे, विंड फार्म भी है। मैं जब भी दिल्ली जाता हूँ, इंडिया जाता हूँ, तो मैं हमेशा डॉक्टर पाठक के उस एयरपोर्ट के पास में ही है, महिपालपुर के पास उनका ये सारा ये है, उनका अपना ऑफिस। और दिल्ली के सबसे पॉश इलाके में है, हौज खास के पास, लेकिन उनका घर, लेकिन उनका जो महिपालपुर के पास, दिल्ली एयरपोर्ट के पास जो सुलभ इंटरनेशनल का बहुत बड़ा सेंटर है, म्यूजियम भी है, सुलभ म्यूजियम है। पूरे वर्ल्ड से लोग आते हैं, इवन यूनाइटेड नेशंस भी उनको रिकॉग्नाइज कर चुका है। अफ्रीका भी उनसे कंसल्टिंग लेता है। सोचिए अफ्रीका उनसे लेता है कि कैसे हम लोग टॉयलेट की प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करें। तो जैसे गूंज का एग्जांपल दिया, गूंज ने भी सेम मॉडल कि उन्होंने आपके कपड़े हो या जो भी वेस्ट है, उसको उन्होंने एक मार्केट प्लेस बना दिया नॉन प्रॉफिट वर्ल्ड के लिए, कि हर आदमी उनको देना चाहता है। एवरीबडी वांट्स टू सी कि हम क्या करें, तो चलो गूंज को देते हैं, गूंज विल कलेक्ट इट एंड दे विल प्रोवाइड इट टू द राइट पीपल। तो वैल्यू क्रिएशन का ये जो माइंडसेट है ना, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। जैसे विशाल का ये जो कॉल ही है, तो इस कॉल में बहुत सारे लोग मिल रहे हैं, कोई स्टार्टअप है, कोई एंटरप्रेन्योर है, कोई नॉन प्रॉफिट है, बट आपस में वैल्यू आप ऐड करो तो दुनिया भी आपको अकॉर्डिंगली वैल्यू ऐड करो, साथ में वैल्यू आप मांगो भी नहीं कि आपने ऐड कर दिया। इफ यू नीड समथिंग तो you have to ask for it। जैसे कि इसके पहले कुछ 2-3 स्टार्टअप्स ने अपना पिच किया। तो once you have to add value, earn trust, earn a reputation, and then you ask for something, and there will be people who will line up to help you or give you what you need।
ठीक है, okay, Shava, I think कुछ एडवाइस मिल गया। I think we can continue this tomorrow।
विशाल, जस्ट जाते जाते मैं एक नई चीज आज मैंने देखी है, उसके बारे में थोड़ा बताना चाहूंगा। देयर इज अ स्टार्टअप इन बेंगलोर बाय द नेम बायोन। ठीक है, उन्होंने अभी कल परसों ही एक होम कोरोना टेस्टिंग किट लॉन्च किया है, which is very unique। अभी कहीं पर वर्ल्ड में ये हुआ नहीं है। एंड जस्ट बिफोर लॉन्चिंग इट, उनको एक ओवर फंडेड राउंड, मतलब लोग पैसा लगाने के लिए मर रहे थे, 73 मिलियन की फंडिंग मिली है। और वो किट सिर्फ ऐसा होगा, आपको जाके मतलब मेडिसिन शॉप से लेना है, और आप घर में आओ, बैठो, और आप अपने खुद से टेस्ट करके देख लो।
तो
नीरज लिंक प्लीज लिंक शेयर कीजिएगा उनका, आई वुड लाइक टू नो मोर।
श्योर आई विल डू दैट।
ग्रुप में, व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में, टेलीग्राम ग्रुप में और या व्हाट्सएप में प्लीज।
श्योर विल डू दैट।
ठीक है, चलिए, इट्स गुड। गुड नाइट फॉर नाउ, सी यू टुमारो 10 PM।
Thank you guys.